Hey, what's up? This is Jason Hopkins here, and in this video, I want to talk about a belief that newbies know to be true in the affiliate marketing business. Now, before I begin, I want you to make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash that bell notification so that you stay updated with content in the future. And if you're watching this on Facebook, give this some likes and some hearts. Now, back when I was starting affiliate marketing, at the time, there was nobody really helping me, and I was completely green to the industry. So I just did what came natural. I posted links on Facebook all day. I joined many Facebook groups, messaging about 10, maybe 20 people a day. And as a result, I mean, none of these tactics I was doing was working for me. I made no sales using these tactics, and sometimes I got blocked by most people that I was messaging, and I was promoting a high ticket product, thinking that it was going to make me a fortune. And the biggest problem that I was having was I wasn't spending money on paid traffic, and I had to learn from someone else's experience that told me that affiliate marketing requires you to spend money that generates leads and sales a lot faster. And the truth hit me like I was punched right in the gut when this person told me this, because I had no idea that you had to spend money to make money. So when I see affiliate marketers promoting things that have these weird headlines where it says, learn how to make a fortune without spending $1, it all goes back to when I was struggling building a business that I wasn't investing money in. And any new marketer that believes that they can earn 6 figures in such a short period of time for free, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but doing it for free, you're gonna have to really hustle. You're gonna have to put in at least 10 hours a day or more, and even then, you're still not gonna get nowhere. You're not gonna get nowhere near that amount if you don't invest money into paid traffic for your business. Because when you're doing it for free, it's going to get you where you need, where you want to go very slowly. It's not going to take months. It's going to take years. And you need to keep in mind that this is a business that you're building, right? And this is something that you probably want to do for the long haul. So if you want to be skilled at what you're doing, then you need to get into the habit of investing money. And most people are not going to tell you what I'm telling you now, that also you need a coach. You need to be coached by a 6 or 7 figure earner. And most of them, they're not cheap. Now, no successful business person ever built a business without spending money in ads. Like, let's be realistic here. You think Elon Musk and Bill Gates was building their empire for free? No way. So what makes you believe that it can happen for you? If it was that simple, don't you think everyone would be doing it? So if you're new to this business and you're carrying that silly belief, you need to end that belief right now. You need to disassemble that belief right now. Well, that's all I have for this video. I trust that you got value. And if so, once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're watching this on Facebook, give this video some hearts and some likes. And if you want to know what my #1 recommended program is, there's going to be a link in the description box below this video where you're going to put your name and your email. Once again, this is Jason Hopkins. Thanks for watching.